Look at all of this asparagus that has sprouted up here. Boy, thought y'all wasn't gonna come back out until the spring. But y'all say y'all still growing. Okay, I need to harvest you guys. Yes. Okay, asparagus. On this cool day. Yes, I need to harvest my broccoli here before they come out and flower out on me. They were much close in tighter than now. They open up more. So I need to go ahead and harvest them and see if any more are gonna grow. Okay, I'm gonna try and cut it at a 45-degree angle. They say that's best to cut it across like that, so when it's raining and water get in it won't rot it out, and it'll continue to grow. So let's see. I want to cut into the little baby broccolis that may be on the sides of them. Let's see. Okay, my first broccoli. Yes. Okay, broccoli. I see a lot of little broccoli shoots off of here that I can just pull off. Yes. Okay, let me harvest the rest of these. Look at this one here. I see little baby broccolis on there, so I'm gonna leave them on there so they can grow bigger. Okay, I left a lot of the little baby broccolis still on here so they can continue to grow. Grow some more broccoli. This is my broccoli that I harvest. Look, we can break those little shoots off there. Look at that. All these little broccolis that can come off. And we can saute them or boil them and eat us some nice broccoli grown from our garden. More asparagus harvest.